Set it to border.all with a width of 1.0 and a color of colors.black. In the child, we will call a circle avatar. Set the radius to 180.0 and the background color to colors.white. In the child property, I'll call the image widget and set the height to 100.0. In the image property, I'll write asset image and give it the path of the logo. Set the filter quality to filter quality.high. Next, let me put a sized box with a height of 10.0 for some white spaces. Let's add a material button now, as we're gonna create a logout button here and set its elevation to 20.0. Shape to rounded rectangle border with a border radius of border radius dot circular and a value of 5.0. Set the height of the button to 50.0, min width to 200.0 and the color to colors.black. And it's time to add the text. So in the child property, I'm gonna call open sans as usual and give it a text logout and a size of 20.0, then a color of colors.white. In the onPressed, we have to call the logout function from the viewModel provider. Next, we need to add a sized box with a height of 20.0 in order to make a small gap between the logout button and the social media icons. And then let's call a row. Set the main axis alignment to main axis alignment dot space evenly. In the children, start with the icon button and in its onPressed section call launch URL and inside it write uri.parse and give it a demo Instagram link here. Then in the icon property, let's call svg picture.asset and give it the path of Instagram icon. Set its color to colors.black and width of 35.0. Now let's call the icon button once more and in the onPressed property write launch URL and in its brackets type URI.parse. In parentheses, give it the demo Twitter URL. In the icon, write svg picture.asset and give it the Twitter image path. Set the color to colors.black and width to 35.0 so that the icons are of the same size and color. Next, let's tap into the app bar and give it an app bar widget. Set the icon theme to icon theme data and give it a color of colors.white and size of 35.0. The center title will be true and the background color will be colors.black. Let's go ahead and restart the app now. Let me log in, wait a second, and then click on the drawer. And as you can see, the app bar and all the other widgets have appeared and look perfectly fine, just like the ones in mobile. Let's get back to Android Studio and finish creating the app bar. So in the title property, call Poppins and give it a text as dashboard, size as 30.0 and color as colors.white.